Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to learn what is instruction cycle, machine cycle and T-states. We will see relation between instruction cycle, machine cycle and T-states. Let's see. Instruction cycle. An instruction cycle is defined as the time required to complete the execution of an instruction. The 8085 instruction cycle consists of 1 to 5 machine cycle. In diagram, you can observe that instruction cycle 1 consists of two machine cycle 1 and machine cycle 2. The total time required to execute an instruction is time required for instruction cycle is equal to time required for fetch cycle plus time required for execution cycle. An instruction cycle consists of a fetch cycle and an execution cycle. So, what is mean by fetch cycle and execution cycle? Fetch cycle means time required to CPU for fetch the opcode of the instruction from the memory. Execution cycle means steps required to acquire the data from the memory and complete the operation that is specified in the instruction. The fetch and execute cycle are carried out in synchronization with the clock. Figure shows instruction cycle consists of fetching the instruction, decoding the instruction, read address from memory, and the last final phase execute the instruction. Machine cycle. The time required by the microprocessor to complete the operation of accessing memory or input output device is called as a machine cycle. Operation like opcode fetch, memory read, memory write, input output write are performed in a machine cycle. An instruction cycle thus consists of several machine cycle. Machine cycle is the sub part of an instruction. The machine cycle may consist of 3 to 6 T states. In diagram, you can observe that machine cycle 1 consists of 3 T states T1, T2 and T3. Machine cycle 2 consists of 4 T states T1, T2, T3 and T4. So, what is mean by T states? Microprocessor performs an operation in a specific time period, that is specific clock cycle. Each clock cycle is called as T state. The subdivision of an operation which is performed in one clock period is called as a T states. The number of T states required to perform an operation is called machine cycle. Machine cycle consists of 3 to 6 T states and one T state is of one clock period. Relation between instruction cycle, machine cycle and T state. Figure shows the relation between instruction cycle, machine cycle and T states. An instruction cycle consists of number of machine cycle and machine cycle consists of number of T states. From it is clear that machine cycle, T state and instruction cycle compulsory required for execution of an instruction. In exam, following question will come like explain the following terms: T states, machine cycles, instruction cycle. Define instruction cycle, define machine cycle, define T states. That time you have to explain all these terms with proper diagram. You must have to draw the diagram with proper explanation.